Hello, my name is Bobby Joe. Today I am talking about the Proface HMI data sampling feature. So first I will talk about what is the data sampling, and then I will simulate, create a example program to create the sampling, and let's do the simulation. Alright, so data sampling, you can go to the help menu, then you can go to this is section 25 data sampling. Okay. So what is sampling feature? Sampling is actually the data look like a data logging. So the data are sampled from the real value, live value every time. Okay, at a designated time or by command. You can trigger to save the data to the HMI memory. Okay, so data is, for example, collected once every hour for 10 hours. This is a sampling data at constant interval. Another thing is sampling data as specific periods. So when the trigger bit is on, it will start sampling. Another one is there are some setting. Okay, so take a look at this example. So sampling is, need to go to this project sampling and add a new group. Here or anything. Alright. Okay, so the address, the first sampling start address. Okay. Address could be sequential or random. So sequential, you can add the data in sequence. Alright. Or randomly you can jump or different data coming. Alright, so take the example. Okay. So let's say 2 watts. Then go to the mode. Okay, there's a condition. Execution condition is set time constant cycle while bit is on, bit chain. Okay, set time is the specific time to sample the data. The constant cycle is once HMI is power on, it will keep on sampling. Okay. And then constant cycle while bit is on. So when the sampling permit bit address is on, it will keep on sampling. Another one is bit on. Bit on is only one trigger the bit address is on, it will sample one time. Okay, next mode is bit chain. Bit chain is similar to bit on. It also detects the off to on and on to off changes. Alright, so we can, okay, let's try with the constant cycle while bit is on, and sampling bit address. We will use a simple variable like start sampling. variable. Okay, then frequency is constant, or you can change my address. Okay, we leave it constant cycle, then it could be 1 second interval or 100 millisecond interval. Okay, so leave it 1 second interval. Occurrence. Okay, occurrence is kind of the memory space for the sampling data. So the occurrence you set is a memory will occupy in the HMI SRAM. So for example, 100, then it was sampling to 100 records, and after that you will overwrite. Okay, so let's set for 1000. You can try and okay, hold on. All right, okay, let's leave it at occurrence to 1000. Okay, so if you want not to overwrite after 1000, you can increase, but this will take the memory, and you can check how much memory is occupied. Go to information, project information, and SRAM information. Okay, so now you see sampling I have already used 160 kilobytes. So the size is 162, so remaining 165. So it does it fine. So if you have more data sampling, it will take more SRAM memory space. Okay, so okay, then the next we will leave it like this first. Okay, then another thing is display save in CSV. Okay, this one need to turn on. First we have to leave it like this first. Okay, and we will try. Okay, so mode is constant cycle, 1 bit is on start sampling. The address is to data here, and we go to this. So we will add the sampling data first display. Okay. So display row to increase to 10 colon to 4, and border with item V, or you can build your own border. Okay, display. Okay, then add this some switches to display. Okay, then we will create a one switch to start sampling. Start sampling. It is bit in but on and off. Let's change the switch to this kind of switch. Lamp. The lamp. Okay, then we can start the simulation. Okay, now is no sampling. Then we will start sampling. Okay. So two data are sampled at 1 second frequency. Okay, next step is how to transfer this sampling data to USB or SD card. Alright, so we look back here. There's a Procedure: saving sample data to CSV file. So there is a normal save and automatic save. Okay, let's do it normal save. Okay, save data from sampling group file name SA001.csv in a CF card or SD card or USB drive. You must set the command what, then the immediate +1 address is a file number. Okay. So file save. So command what, whenever you write the command 001, it will start saving all the block 1 sampling group 1 address to the CF card or SD card or USB card. Okay. So we'll create the button here. Okay, we haven't set the address for the sampling, so we go back to the sampling data first. Then here, CSV control what address, so we set it in our case, for example, okay, 39,000. Okay, we can save to the SD card or USB storage. Okay, so we choose the USB storage. Then append date time to the file name, and on this it was saved as like this format, as is 00 and year, month, date format. Okay. And we can change it if you want to change to date, month, 20, year. Okay. And then this format also you can change. We're not talking about an enable FTP transfer and send email. Okay. So format change to our minute second. Okay, so the first data one, we can rename it to rename. Set to custom setting, then rename it. For example, that one. Yeah, the data column, you can also go to the column detail and scaling, do the styling, decimal place, how many digits, then also the coloring alarm. First we leave it like this, and then okay, so control what address already saved. So we will use this one as a control what to change. So first we will use a what switch 29,000 and write data to 1. Save. And we can see the status here. And status is hex. When we look back the menu, control address is command and status you can use together. If you write hexa 1, it's normal save. If you write 20, it's automatic save. And 21 is an automatic save. Okay, so and then response. Okay, status. If you reply 0, nothing happened, so completed successfully. If reply 100 hexa, it's error. 200, 300 also error. So okay, so we set to format is hexa format, and then the file number. File number should be you can override the file number. So file number is +1, so 2900 +1 is 29001. And allow inputs to operator to key in the file number. Okay. File number is decimal. Okay, we start again. So data logging, data sampling start. Okay, then we will save USB. Okay, so it's like nothing happened, but you can go and check the USB drive if on the rear HMI, or now we are simulating, so we go to this simulator USB virtual USB drive. So it's to go to this C program file program root of the GB Pro X, but it's a little bit difficult to go. So what I do is I capture screen, then open save folder. Okay, so there's a simulator capture folder. So go back to simulator. Okay, there's a USB HD00. It's a virtual hard disk. So open it. Okay, there is a sampling folder is here. Okay, so today's save is this file. This is the old file. Delete first. Okay, so there's the data. So 15 set to 2020. Okay, there's the data. The next step, if you want to view your USB data on the screen, then we will do it another step. Okay, so we will add another screen. And we will add the file manager. File manager here. So our target to USB storage. Okay. Switch to display, and then when you view the CSV display here, show CSV. All right, let's try again. Okay, so we go to this display. Okay, there is a sampling folder here. Display. CSV display. Okay. So this is how to view the screen data. All right. Okay, that's a very short example on the sampling. You can continue to modifying the column size, and then the data display order. Now it's ascending. You can set to descending. Okay. The switch. And sampling, you can also modify the mode. Okay, one data full bit address style on. You can use this bit to show your I okay.